They say death is final, but what if it isn't? When your heart stops beating, your body begins to shut down, but your brain, it stays alive for 7 mysterious minutes. And in those minutes, something extraordinary takes place. Visions of light, flashes of memory, and a journey science cannot fully explain. This is the untold story of what happens in the 7 minutes after death. In the very first minute, your heart stops, blood no longer flows, oxygen is cut off, and every organ begins to fail. But the brain is not yet gone. It flickers like a candle in the wind, neurons firing their last desperate signals. Doctors call this the beginning of biological death. Yet in this silence, your brain is still alive, and still conscious. As oxygen drains from your system, the brain reacts. Many people who have been revived after near death describe the same thing, a tunnel of light, a glowing pathway pulling them forward. Scientists argue it's simply the visual cortex struggling as oxygen fades. But others believe it is the soul preparing for its passage to eternity. In the 3rd minute, memories ignite like fireworks. Childhood laughter, first love, successes, regrets. Everything flashes before you in an instant. Neurologists suggest this is the brain replaying stored memories in a final storm of electrical activity, yet for many this feels like judgment, as if your very essence is weighing your life's story before the great beyond. And then comes the floating. Many describe lifting above their own bodies, watching as doctors or loved ones try desperately to revive them. The sensation of hovering, detached, yet still aware. Science suggests the temporal lobe misfires in these final moments, but those who have lived it insist. This is proof of the soul leaving the body. In the 5th minute, visions appear. Lost relatives, glowing beings of light, mysterious figures waiting with open arms. Some interpret this as the brain's final comfort mechanism, a way to ease the terror of death. Others believe it is more, a real reunion, a crossing into another world, where those who came before you wait to welcome you home. By the 6th minute, something remarkable happens. People revived after near death often describe a choice: continue into the light, or return to the body. Some recall being pushed back by unseen forces as if their time was not yet over. Others describe a struggle, a pull between worlds. In this moment, destiny itself seems to hang in the balance. And finally, the 7th minute. The last sparks of energy fade, brainwaves dissolve into silence. For science, this is the end. But for faith, it is only the beginning, the moment the soul crosses the final threshold. Is this the doorway to heaven, reincarnation, or eternal peace? No one alive can say for certain, but millions believe the 7th minute is not death, but birth into another existence. So what happens after death? Science provides glimpses: oxygen loss, brain activity, hallucinations. But spirituality offers hope, tunnels of light, reunions, eternal journeys. In truth, none of us will know until we walk that path ourselves. But one thing is certain: in those 7 minutes, every heartbeat, every choice, every memory of your life becomes the story you leave behind. If this journey opened your mind, imagine what else lies beyond. Subscribe to Mind Galaxy for more explorations of the universe, the human spirit, and the mysteries that shape our existence. Like this video, share it with someone curious about life after death, and tell us in the comments, what do you believe happens after the final breath?